Hello, I'm going to introduce a South Korean fabrication facility which is called KM Tech. KM Tech is located in South Korea, but specifically Gyeongsangnam-do, Goseong-gun, which is close to Busan, Gimhae, and Changwon. The specialty items for KM Tech are the structural steel and cable frame support and other things. So I'm going to show you the KM Tech's overall appearance. So here is the building of the KM Tech and the overall the appearance of the KM Tech, the fabrication shop is here. The KM Tech has three bays of the fabrication facility, and inside of the facility, you can see very big yard of the area of the fabrication. And each bay has 6 cranes and hoists, and each hoist and crane has the 10 tons of the capacity. You can see the cranes, and later on, I will show you the video clip of the inside of the facility. Here's are the specialty items for the KM Tech, and this is submarine power cable turntable, and the another picture of the submarine power cable turntable, and the power cable turntable, the frame, and another frame. These are the motor support and frames and the accessories for the rotating equipment. Another frame, frames. Yeah, this is it. So KM Tech, the specialty item is structural steel fabrication, and KM Tech's the advantage is the price. So we can provide very reasonable price for you. So if you want to do the fabrication work in South Korea, but the structural steel frames and cable frames, let me know by this email. And now I'm going to show you more videos about the KM Tech, the facility inside. So you can see the cranes and hoist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm missing one. 6 cranes and hoist, and each cranes and hoist has 10 tons of capacity. Another video. Not this one. Yeah, just this video is showing the KM Tech facility. Inside of the facility has the big area of the fabrication work. As I said, we can provide very reasonable price for you. So let me know if you want to do the South Korean structured steel fabrication work by this email and phone number. Oh, so phone number, you can South Korean phone number. So area code is 82 without 0.